not easy keeping up with her. She's like a little gazelle out here in the backyard. And this is what the backyard looks like after 2 feet of snow. Third worst snow ever. This is the blizzard of 2011 you're looking at. The aftermath of it, anyway. And this is Taffy enjoying herself in it. There she goes again. Somewhere out there behind the snowdrift. There she is. Come on, girl. Taffy, come. I'm gonna get you. Yes, I am. She's playing catch me if you can. I'm the gingerbread man. Or gingerbread woman, as the case may be. Where is she? There she is. I'm gonna get you. No. I think she's tired already. And again, maybe not.